This is Ted. We're the shippers and crate builders. Okay, this is how it's gonna work. When you get the crate at the door, first thing what you have to do, inspect the crate for damage. So you take a quick look around and inspect for damage and make claims with the trucking company. Number two, when you bring the crate in, we use two pallet jacks for the ones that are really long, because the wood is flexible. You have to use two pallet jacks. Do not use a forklift because the wood bends and flexes. So what we're doing, as you receive it and you brought it in and there's no damage, you inspect for damage and there's nothing visible, you lift it up with two pallet jacks. What we're doing right now, we try to tilt it on one side. You don't need to remove the pallet jacks that are not in the way. What you do next, this crate would be shrink wrapped. We'll have plastic so it protects it from, it gives it waterproof. You remove the shrink wrap, then the next step you cut the straps. While the crate is leaning, it's angled this way, the way we're doing here right now. So once you remove the straps, you take off the top. You remove the top, everything. You gotta wear protective gloves. Make sure you're protected from slivers. You don't get any slivers. And once you remove the top, then you start removing the side. This whole thing, it's one panel. It's one panel. This provides only strength for the flat panel. This panel is screwed from the top and from the side and on the bottom. So the next step is removing the panel very carefully. Everything has to be handled with care. When you, well, yes, those come off for sure. You gotta remove those. So this has to come off. That's how you remove the panel. But when you remove the top, you can see the product inside, and you can plan ahead how you're gonna support, and if it's enough support just by tilting it. Sometimes you might need to put clamps on it, so it holds it to the back plate. And that's how you do it.